Okay, this is Exalted Lamb 1 again, and I'm doing a quick video here so you can see a little more detail of what's going on here. Now this is the mimic map, and as you can see up here, that's the address. So you can look at that anytime you want. I'm going to show you another address for the infrared satellite I've been using lately. So look at this thing. Absolutely look at this thing. It reminds me of a punch. See how it's coming up and swirling around? But right before it gets to this point here, look up here. It's kind of faint right here because I've blown it up pretty good, but basically, this thing is being zapped bottom and top, and this faint little clear pressure wave here that's actually spinning it. Look right up here. Right there and right there. So it's right now it's hugging the 20-degree north latitude line. Okay, and it's not going north. Look at this. Do you think that's going north? I mean, for all those naysayers and people who say mean things and everything like that, is that going north? I don't think so. Okay, it's on track. It's going to hit today sometime, unless it super slows down to like 5 miles an hour or something. But at its current speed, it's going to hit today. Maybe even this afternoon, late morning, or this afternoon, it's going to hit. I'm going to start seeing the outer bands hit. So I'm going to show you a couple other views here as well, so you can see that. Okay, here it is as well. So this is one infrared view, satellite infrared view. And as you can see, here's the 20-degree north. And it's basically now, it's came up here, and then now it's hugging this 20-degree north, which is right where Hawaii is at. It is on course to hit this. And this one even is like an hour behind. This one particularly is an hour behind, but it's actually been hugging this 20-degree north latitude here. So you can watch it anytime you want. I'm going to put a link in the description box so you can actually watch this yourself. And then I'm going to show you another IR infrared version where you can see the bands a little bit better. This doesn't show you as well, and you can see how really close it is. This is very close. It's going to hit today. So, and like I said, unless it goes down to just ridiculous like 5 miles an hour or 8 miles an hour or something like that, it's going to hit today. So let me show you that. Okay, and as you can see here, this gives you a better view with the IR of the clouds and everything, and the actual ring, the outer bands here of the hurricane, the Norman here. So if you see here, it's the disturbance that is creating out here as well. So there's the island, there's the disturbance right there. I mean, it's really, this is the main heart of it right here, and then of course inside, but it's causing disturbance right out here. So it'll hit very soon. This thing is not going north right now. It's just not. Like I said, you cannot trust what NOAA says. You cannot trust, but everybody is. And they've been completely wrong. I mean, look at Lane, look at Hector, look at Irma, all these past ones. They have so many times been wrong. And so you can't trust the government and what they're saying because they're misleading. They use these things to cause havoc and for different reasons. And this is, going to cause what we've talked about. So this mega tsunami that's coming. So, and whether it takes a few days or whatever, I don't know. But this is going to hit, it looks like. Okay, again, I don't know the future. I don't have a crystal ball, but I'm just looking at the facts, looking at the details of what I know in a bunch of different areas. And look at this. This is not going up over here. It's going straight for here. And like you saw on the mimic map, it's just going straight. There's nothing to stop it from going straight straight west. So just wanted to show you where it's at and how ridiculously close it is. I mean, look at that right there. And these here, again, are 5 degrees. 5 degrees, each degree is 70 miles roughly. And so that's 350 miles. So right there, you see the disturbance. It's halfway into that. It's halfway into 350. So it's about 175 when it's going to start affecting Hawaii. About 175 miles right there. I mean, that's not very far. I mean, it's super close. I mean, this thing, look at this thing. I mean, it is at least 10 degrees wide. And it's huge. It's absolutely huge. And even though it says, NOAA says it's a category 1, it does not matter. This thing is huge. It's going to affect And that's all they needed to do. They needed to basically hit Hawaii, and it's a big excuse that they can use from all the previous rain and everything as well. So just want to give you more information, and I'm going to have a link in the description box so you can look at this yourself. Okay? This is Exalted Lamb 1, over and out.